guys, welcome back to Truly Outrageous. My name is Gavin. Today I'm gonna be in this video by myself. This is my first time in the video. Today we're gonna be drawing a Valentine's tree. So let's get into it. Okay, so first you're gonna trace your hand. If I was you, I'd rather use markers, crayon, because this gets all of your fingers. I don't think your mom and dad will like getting messy. Oh, come on! So then what you're just gonna do is you're gonna start doing hearts on the tree. You can just do really just circles if you want. That's totally fine. But let's make people know with the Valentine tree, you can just ask your mom how to write Valentines, and then you can just write Valentines on the top tree. Equal to top Valentine's tree. My favorite part. This probably sounds super weird. Or you guys are probably with me. Candy. I think everyone on YouTube right now is with me. I'm just gonna do a cross. If you guys want to do that, it's okay. And when I was insane, if you guys want to get different colors, I don't really want to do this, but you can go pink, red, pink, red, pink, red, pink, red, pink, red. But I'm not doing that exactly right now because I'm already coloring it. And you can put this up in your house if you want. We're gonna do another heart. It goes all the way down. Like that. It's gonna be kind of a big heart. Wow. That looks like the biggest heart somebody could have, the wonkiest. If you guys want to, you can totally do that. You can do like heart roots like this. Look. Sorry, my head's in the video a little bit. Look. And then after that, you can just go heart in there. Let's see, look at that a little bit. And then you can just go that's all for this video. If you want to add some detail, you can do that too. Okay guys, subscribe to our channel and try to get us this video to 10 likes. And I hope you guys like the drawing. So see you in the next video. Bye!